One of the reasons I like to use incandescent bulbs is because they're on a dimmer and I can actually dim them really well. But first thing we're going to do is I'm going to decide, sometimes I just like to go up like this and down, or sometimes I just like to throw it on there. So I'm going to just start today with this first one by just kind of putting it on with zip ties and see what happens. It doesn't really matter if they're all the same or different, because when you're far away from them you can't tell anyways. So if you just try to spend a lot of time to make it super neat, it won't really matter because no one's going to notice. So we're going to zip tie it. So I'm going to start by just zip tying around the bottom here and see what happens. That. Got it all the way around the bottom and all the way to the top. And this is an orange, orange light right there. So here we are at the top and all the way to the bottom. So the wires go up each side, and then I just kind of wrap the last one around the end to the bottom so that it kind of fills in the spots. So there we go. So now I'm going to do 3 more and then we'll see what it comes out at the end. We've got 2 done. Now we're going to do 2 more. Got green right here. And I just decided to zip tie them all because I actually liked the way that the zip tie worked. These zip ties are really big, but I like the way how this one's smashed, so I'm going to just do a little bit of maintenance after it being used all summer for the tomatoes. Actually, I didn't even use them this summer, to be honest, now that I think about it, because I built tomato fences this year that I hung the tomatoes on. Alright, so let's get started. So it's right here. Zip ties are like bent backwards, so that's kind of annoying. And there's the red one. We'll go put it out front and see how they look. I finished my trees from my tomato gardens. So I've got yellow, blue, green, and magenta connected to my timer that turns on when it gets dark. So here they are.